Let's take a look at how we can fill out this form. You go to the website and click on the link, and then you come on this uh, form. In this form, you can select the current year is already default, but if somebody needs a prior year, for example, 2022, 21, etc., you can select that. In our case, we have this individual named John William. He is basically from Australia, living in India, and that's his phone number, email, his address, and he does have a foreign tax ID. That's what we put it in here. We click on next, and we come on to the next screen. In the next screen, we see that we added the name of the company, and that's Easy Trading LLC. That's a fictitious fake name. That's his tax ID for the LLC. This is the address of the LLC, which is registered in the state of Wyoming. That's the date it was registered. LLC is conducting e-commerce business, and here is a question that if the LLC has any employee or a physical establishment in the USA. If they does, then there are more conditions for them to fulfill. They have to file Form 1040 NR along with 5472. But if somebody does not have this condition, then they don't need to file Form 1040 NR. On the other hand, we are also asking some more questions. Does the LLC receiving any rental income from USA? If the LLC has any interest income from USA, let's say there is a LLC who opened a saving account in the USA and there is interest income, then we have to file 1040 NR. If somebody is dealing with cryptocurrency, sales of real estate, securities, dividend, etc., then we have additional requirements. Over here, whatever the amount of registration or registration renewal for the LLC the individual John paid, we need to put it in here. In this case, he hired a company online and he then paid them $399. Initially, John provided a loan to the company, $2,000 we added in there. These are all related party transactions. If he did not provide, we can say zero. He bought some licenses and patents. And this license is not the registration. It's maybe they need to have a FDA approval license, so that is the license amount. Did you receive any payment from LLC? If somebody has received a payment, then we need to put it in there. And that is like, for example, if John owns a building in USA and John is also collecting the rent from the LLC from USA, then they put it in here. Or this LLC has a patent or trademark, and its trademark is owned by the owner, and this LLC is paying back to the owner. Majority of the cases like you guys have, you are going to say no here. Now it's time for us to include the profit and loss statement. I already provided you the template, but if you do not have accurate figures and numbers, you can add a total income here, $12,000, and the expenses, $7,000. With all our experience, we can also find out if there is any other additional requirement for this entity. And then you go to next. In the next, if somebody is paying PayPal, etc., they need to select here. If it's like your affiliate program, put in your affiliate program name or your business name and click agree, and you submit that. I hope this clears out a lot of clouds that has been hanging around. But if you guys still have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.